So tomorrow, Thursday, we will have our quiz. Spent a lot of time doing this quiz. A lot of different components of the quiz. So, is it proportional from a table? I'm going to go over this real quick. Then you're going to do some review. And then tomorrow I'm going to give you the quiz. And then I have to teach you something as well tomorrow. We're a little behind on schedule. It's not making me nervous whatsoever. Yes?
The test is only on the proportional?
Yes, so basically the test is this packet. So everything I've taught you from this packet, from front to cover, from page 1 to page 39, will be on your quiz.
Is it the questions? There's 25 pages.
There's 27, but who's counting?
Wait, so you're going to ask us the stories in the graphs? Or
Yes.
in the unit stuff? Or
Yes.
And what is about this?
Yes.
I forgot what this was.
Unit rate.
Oh, the unit rate's a P.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember.
All right, let's do it.
Good, sis.
Yes.
Wait, we're already done with the packet.
I'll try it after this lesson.
The packet's already done.
Okay, page 26. Set timer for 5 minutes. So Gio, 5 minutes, Gio. All right, now. The following are apples needed to bake a certain amount of pies. So I have your table now horizontal instead of vertical. You have 1 pie, means you need 3 apples. 2 pies, 6 apples. 3 pies, 10 apples. 5 pies, 15. So are these ratios proportional to each other? Now I didn't give you a graph for you to graph them and see if it's a straight line, if it crosses the origin, right? So what do you do when you have a table with no graph?
Make your own graph.
Common
Yes.
sense.
Yep, yes.
I was gonna say we could just like kind of visualize it like we do. You can see how all of them are going up by 1 space or 3 spaces every time.
Yes.
But then right there where it says 310, I think it'd be uneven, so it wouldn't be a straight line.
Correct. So both of you are basically saying the same thing. So this is one way of doing it. It doesn't always work though. Especially if your unit rate's a decimal, it doesn't work. But if it is, use it. So Anna and Ben are basically telling me like, what did you multiply 1 to get to 3?
3.
So did I multiply all of these by 3?
No.
Where did we go wrong? So here doesn't work, right? So one way of doing it is figuring out what did I multiply the x to get to the y? Oh, I multiplied by 3. So is this a proportional relationship, yes or no? No. This messes it all up. So the unit rate would have been 3. It would have been 3. But this doesn't work because what's 3 times 3? 9. Here I'm giving you a 10. So it doesn't work. That's one way of telling me if it's proportional or not without graphing it. Could you have graphed this? Yes. But you don't have a graph. Okay, following are cups needed to make the color gray. What do you guys see?
No.
Why not?
Because it just goes off like, I don't know.
Ben, Bruce?
It's because of the 42 and 18 because after 28 would be 35 if they added another 7, but it added 2 7s and it would have added like oh wait no it's the yeah no it would have added like two more 3s to the bottom part as well.
Okay. Yes. As one way of thinking it. Here's a different way. So remember how I taught you how to do this? The 3? Okay, here's a different way. Do I have a 1? No. Can I get a 1 out of these numbers? Not really. Okay, so do this for me. Do this. Do y over x. So if I do y over x, it would be 3 over 7. Can I simplify 3 over 7? No. So 9 over 21. Can I simplify 9 and 21? Yeah. What can I divide 9 and 21 by? So everybody divide by 3, please. What do you get? So they match, right? All right, let's do the next one. 12 over 28. What do I divide by? 4. What do you get? Ooh, is our unit rate 3/7? Let's see the last one. 18/42. What do I divide by?
You could do 2.
Okay. What's 18 divided by 6? What's 42 divided by 6?
7.
Do they all match? Yes. So, remember how I said sometimes it doesn't work? This is an example where it doesn't work, but your answer is a yes. So when you get weird numbers like this, because it's a decimal answer, simplify them and see if you get the same answer. So here I simplified all of my fractions because why? I don't know. I can't go 7 times what is 3 or 3 times what is 7. There's no easy way of oh, you're just multiplying by 2 or I'm multiplying by 5. No. So instead of calling it a no, what you do is you write them as fractions and you find the unit, you simplify each fraction. You simplify each fraction and you're like, oh, it's the same fraction. What's the unit rate? Yep.
If one of them is messed up when you're simplifying, that means it's automatically a no.
Yeah. So the unit rate.
But the dividing with the fraction usually always works.
Mm-hmm. The unit rate is 3/7. So what would be your equation?
Y equals 3/7x.
Mm-hmm. That would be like an advanced question. So it would be a yes. Does that make sense now? All right, try the next one. Whichever strategy you want to use. You want to use Anna's strategy? It does not work. So you're going to have to use my strategy. Y/X. Andrew kept track of the amount of texts she sent in a given time. So in 14 minutes, she sent 4 text messages. In 28 minutes, she sent 8 messages. Is it proportional? So take them all and simplify them. But like Ben said, as soon as one doesn't match, you're done. You can stop. As long as you simplify it correctly. What can I divide 4 and 14 by?
2.
2. What do you get?
7.
Okay, so all of them need to be 2/7. Do all of them match 2/7? What can I divide 8 and 28 by?
You just flip the bigger number on the bottom?
No, I put Y on the top. It doesn't matter which one's bigger or smaller. Y is on the top.
They can be divided by 4.
Thank you. And you get what? 2/7. So do I call it a yes? 2 of them matched. Nope. Don't stop now. What can I divide 10 and 35? 5. And we get 2/7. Okay, am I ready to say yes? No. 12 and 42. 6. What do you get? Do they all match? Did they look like they were going to match? No, right? Even I was like, I can't remember if this one matches or not. But it does. What would be my unit rate?
Y equals
That would be my unit rate. And then my equation,
Y equals 2/7.
Y equals 2/7x. Do they look a lot harder? Yeah. Are they hard? No. If you do this, if you simplify, you get the unit rate. It's very easy. All right, uno más. Now the big number is on top. Doesn't matter. It's Y's on top. Oh, can I divide 9 and 5 by anything? So that means all of them have to match 9/5. I want all of them to match 9/5. Ooh. 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 Yes or no? Which one messes it all up? It's always the last one. You know why it's always the last one? Because kids will be like, yes, yes, all right, I can stop here. It's going to be a yes. And then it's always the last one that gets you. because you're like, but these are okay. I was like, yeah, but you always have to do the last one. The last one's usually the one that's like the new. So is there a unit rate? No. Is there an equation? Nope. That one would create not a straight line. That one would be the one that's just not a straight line. Okay, any questions? Okay, here's, oh, I hate doing this. It ruins my, I'm not having a great day, Miss Heather. First, the parking spot. Then I left my breakfast in my car. Now I used the wrong packet for the wrong class.
You use the wrong packet.
Yeah, I used period 3's packet. I should just go home. It's terrible. I should. All right. Let's see. What page have you not done that's going to be a great review?
And then do you have Travis Scott?
We haven't done page 6.
We have not done page 6?
Page 10. Oh, no. Page 10. Page 11.
Alright, but you're so cool.
Oh, page 19 is really going to help you for the test. Okay, let's start off with page 19 for the test. Let's start off, which means this is the end, new. Let's start off with page 19 because 19 looks very much like your quiz in regards to like you're dealing with decimals a lot in the test.